Hello, did I tell you you won a prize? Thought I'd look different than this because this is another tip for the day, but you recognise me? Right, tip of the day is synthetic grey. I have synthetic grey in my hair system, and remember the one I said I took off that needed a bit of conditioner? Well, the synthetic's gone a little bit, can I say this? Worry, a bit like, but I'm not saying it. Anyway, there is a way to solve it. So I'm going to take you over to the sink now, my second tip of the day. And just before I decided to do this video, I saw that there's a sponsor video came up and it said, if you've got experienced wealth, you could be making $100,000 a year, just share it online, click here if you think it's true. I went to click and I went, no, I'll just keep giving everything for free for my beloved audience. Haha, right. Anyway, here's the tip of the day. Right. Hopefully you can see that. There's Samuel with my hair system on. And on the side, there's synthetic grey. Now, can you ever remember someone telling you, would you ever put your hand in a hot kettle? You wouldn't on the second time. Well, you wouldn't, would you? Right, so if you really don't like anyone and you want them to cure their synthetic system, is pour water over their head, which is boiling. But we're not going to do that. Health and safety. Right, okay, so what I'm going to do, again doing this with one hand. Now the reason I just tip it on the sides is because if you put boiling water over the top of it, there's a good chance you'll affect the contour of the system. So this is what I do, carefully. Synthetic on the edge, hopefully you can see that. And I just put it around the hair. Now I'm doing this holding the camera. That's boiling water, and hopefully you can go in there and see, and that will actually straighten the hair that's gone a little bit worry. Right, that's the Hairman's tip of the day.